Oh my God, gutom na ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako kakain. Ano kaya? Alam ko na. Kapitbahay namin ng Aloha Hawaiian barbecue. You know, me, I love Hawaiian. I love barbecue too. So, pupunta ko sa Aloha Hawaiian barbecue. Come on, follow me. Let's go. Kumusta mga kaibigan? Nandito ako ngayon sa Aloha Hawaiian barbecue. Nandito kami sa Las Vegas. Siya nga pala.
My name is Roy.
Yeah.
Come to Aloha Hawaiian Barbecue. I'm one of the managers here. Come try our food. It's really good, really awesome
Tagalog
Hawaiian
naman
food.
para yung mga ano, para
Tikman nyo to, masarap to.
Yeah.
Just come see us.
Bitahan mo sila na pumunta
Yeah.
dito.
Punta kayo dito sa Aloha Hawaiian Barbecue on Sunset in Pecos.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. Ayan, ayan yung mga menu nila. Ayan. There. See? Ayan ang mga menu. Ayan. 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 Kita nyo? Masarap ang pagkain. That's why I always come here to eat. And one of my favorites is the hamburger. Yes. And say hi to
Hi.
yeah. Hello.
This is the owner. Her name is Mandy.
Yeah. So invite them to come and visit your restaurant.
Oh, yeah, come to try our food.
And all the Filipinos living in Las Vegas, to tell them that how your restaurant is so good. That's why people come here to see you and see everybody too.
Oh, okay.
All right. All right. All right, guys. Then go. We'll try the barbecue burger today. It's yummy and so good. All right.
Friends, if you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open.
Ito try natin. I think it's so good. Ang laki, ang sarap. Oh my God. Napaka-juicy. Kaya pumunta na kayo dito. No, sarap. Mura na, masarap pa. At saka, I would not recommend if it's not delicious. So I'm telling you guys, this is the place where you want to hang out and have a good time. Especially the manager is a Filipino and very helpful. At masarap talaga. Okay? I'll see you so sa next video. Please subscribe, okay? Bye. Thank you.